Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to easily change the font style of selected text in Word. So you've got your text ready and you want to give it a bit more flair. Changing the font style is a quick way to do just that. So first open your document. Now select the text you want to change the font style for. Now, first, we need to highlight or choose the selected text you want to change the font style. After that, go to the Home tab at the top of your screen. It's like your design playground. Here, you'll see the font section. And right next to it, you'll find the font name and size. So, click this one. This is the font. This is the font options here. Now choose the font you want. For example, we want Callisto MT. That's the name of the font. So we will choose that one. So once you find the font style you like, simply click on it and then your selected text will instantly transform like a fashion makeover for your words. And that's it. You now know how to change the font style of selected text in Word. It's a fantastic way to add a personal touch to your documents. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to change the font style of selected text in Word. See you on my next video.